All right, this next section covers questions 6 through 10. So let's take a look at it. It says, an arithmetic sequence can be graphed on a coordinate plane in the pairs of, in the ordered pairs. The term numbers 1, 2, 3 are for the x-axis, and the terms of the sequence are the y values. Look back at the sequence in example A and make a prediction about its graph. Well, its graph is probably going to be linear, I would think, but it is going to be discrete because remember, we can't have a 1.5 stage. We either have a stage or a first term and a second term, but we can't have a 1.5 term. So I would say that this is going to be a linear because we know that there's a common difference of -6. And I feel like the picture is also going to be discrete. Let's take a look at it. Number 7, on the grid below, create a graph of the arithmetic sequence in example A and revise your prediction in item 6 if necessary. Well, my first term, if you recall, was -3. +3. So first term is +3. My second term is going to be -3. My third term, if you recall, was -9. My fourth term was -15. And they gave me my fifth term, which was -21. Now, if you look at this kind of closely, every other line is 1 here, but on the y-axis, you have to pay close attention because they counted by 2s for every single one of them. So make sure you don't confuse yourself there. So again, I feel like that's linear. That would form a straight line, but it is discrete because I can't have a 1.5 term. Let's take a look at 8. Determine the slope between any 2 points on the grid in item 7. And how does this slope compare to the common difference of the sequence? Well, I know that we go from +3 to -3. So that's down 6. And we go from term 1 to term 2. So that's over 1. -6 divided by 1 is -6. Where have we seen that number? The slope, which is what we just found, is the same as the common difference, which we found earlier in example A. Let's take a look at number 9. The first 3 terms of the arithmetic sequence, 2, 5, 8, are graphed below. Determine the common difference and then the next 3 terms. 2, 5, 8. Common difference seems to be +3 each time because we go from 2 to 5 by adding 3. We go from 5 to 8 by adding 3. So it says graph the next 3 terms. Okay. Well, 8, so we got 9, 10, 11. Then we got 12, 13, 14. And then we have 15, 16, 17. Look, something along those lines. Determine the slope between any 2 points on the graph in item 9. And how does the slope compare to the common difference of our sequence? All right, well, it looks to me like our slope between our points is up 3 over 1. Rise 3, run 1. So that is a slope of 3. And I will notice that my slope equals my common difference. On to the next set of questions.